Another day in lockdown. I thought I would show you in my fridge. Do I show you this?
Because I love you!
You go, baby. Elisa wants to show you her guitar jump. Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to another vlog. So today it is, what day is it today? Thursday today, and it is another day in lockdown. Self-isolation is over for me today. I went food shopping. Elisa and Isa are both still in self-isolation because Isa can't go back to nursery. Elisa has to be in self-isolation until Monday, so we are just at home again. Isa, what are you doing? He's playing with the wire for my light. Right now, I thought I would show you in my fridge. I don't know, I just want to show you my fridge. Basically, I'm trying to clear it out because it's a mess in there, so why not show you what's in there at the same time. Right, guys, what do you want to do? I went to Asda and picked up some donuts. I was looking at all of the little treat things. All of them may contain nuts apart from these, so I picked these up for the kids.
For me?
Yeah. One for Elisa and one for Isa. There you go. Go on then, go in the other room then.
We're on vacation.
Go on then, go on vacation.
Okay.
So when you first open my fridge, this is what you see. There's also another shelf up there. Ta-da! So I'm gonna just take everything out of the fridge, clean it, just wipe it down. I'm not gonna do a big clean on it. And then I'm gonna put it all back and show you what is in there. So I'm just gonna take everything out first. So I've just got myself a bowl with some water and some fairy liquid in there and a cloth, and I'm literally just gonna wipe it all out with that. So I'm just gonna dip it and then wipe.
Celebration, January's all I'm chasing. Take all goodness around me. Shall love be the bit of patience. Sadness, man, is a no-go. Be sweet like cocoa. Be sweet like cocoa. Be sweet like cocoa. شوف السعادة قدامك دايما أديها في حياتك.
So now that most of the mess is gone from in the main part of the fridge, I'm going to put everything back and I'll show you exactly what I have in my fridge. So the first things are already in there because that tray is not dirty at all, so I thought I would not clean that out. But I always have to have a stash of salted butter. This is for toast, for making eggs, for anything. I love butter, so butter it is. I don't like spreadable butter, you know, the ones in the tubs. I don't do that butter. Anyway, I'm going to start with all the jars and I'm going to show you exactly what I have in here because some of this stuff might be out of date. I don't know. I have tartar sauce. I don't think that's out of date. That's not out of date. It is in July 2021, so that's going to stay in there. The pesto I've had for a while and it's been opened, so I think that's going to be gross. And also these, yeah, these are out of date in August this year. Sliced lemons. I made some kind of like lemon chicken with this and it was really nice, but I never used them again, so that's going to go in the bin. And then the pesto, it's got mold on it. Let's put that in the bin as well. And then I've got some jalapenos, 2 massive jars of these. I'm just going to stick those back in. And then I have some mango pickle, which I'm going to put back in. I have some chili sauce, which is my brother's, and I don't know why he hasn't taken this from my house, but that's here. Osman, if you're watching, come and get your chili sauce. And then I have some burger relish, which I haven't used in a very long time, and this was out of date in May 2020. Lovely. And also I have this chicken tikka marinade, which was very nice, so that's going to go back in there. And then I have some jam, which is still in date, still use it. I have some barbecue sauce. This one is finished, so I'm going to put that in the bin. And then I have the Aldi version of the bullseye one. That's going to go back into here. And then I have some pesto, which has not even been opened, so that's going to go back in. I have some tomato ketchup and mayonnaise, which are going to go back in. And then I also have some Stork baking butter. I only use the tub ones for baking because Stork is just the best for making cupcakes and things. That goes up there. And then I also have some Greek style yogurt, which is okay still, so I'm going to put that back up there. And then I have some cream. The double cream is from when I made my birthday cake, which is out of date now, so I'm going to put that in the bin. Picked this up today, squirty cream, which is going to go straight back in. And then I have 2 lots of the kids' juices. I picked up apple and blackcurrant and mango and apple today because they're what Asda had. And then I also picked up 2 Vimtos. My kids love Vimtos, so I got 2 of those. More juices for the kids that didn't fit into these containers. And then we have my biggest staple that needs to be in my fridge at all times, my garlic and ginger paste for curries. And then we have the kids' yogurts. You guys, if you guys watch my videos, you know how much my kids love yogurts. So I picked up 2 packets of these tube ones for Elisa. She loves these ones. Also had 2 left over from last week's shop.
Why? Eat yogurt, cold.
Yeah, yogurt. And then I've got 3 lots of these ones from Asda. For Isa, he loves yogurts too. So the light has gone off in the fridge, which is probably a better thing for filming, don't matter, it's just been open too long. Also need to sort this out. This was out of date in August 2020. I bought these in the summer to make mojitos, but clearly I didn't make enough, so got 1 left over. That's going to go in the bin because it's out of date. And then I have no idea where these came from, but they're still in date, so I'm going to keep them. Just in case I run out of mayo, they're going to go up there. So next I have my things that go right here, which is milk, always. And always have to have some orange juice as well. Moving on, we have my cheese basket. I have no idea what's in here, I'm not even gonna lie. There's just a load of cheese. So we have some grated cheese. We have some sliced cheese. We have a packet and another packet of cheese strings. And then I have some Greek feta, which I was supposed to use on my birthday. And I didn't use, but it's still in date until like May 2021, and it hasn't been opened, so all good. And then we also, I'm embarrassed now. And then we also have some baby bells. Let's check the date on these actually. 2021, that's fine. And then these ones I bought last week, so they're fine. Also have some normal cheddar, a block of cheddar, and then cheesy singles, which are still in date, but I had these with my fish burger a week ago and they tasted really gross, so I'm going to chuck those away as well. And do I show you this? Why not? It's real life, okay? This is what else was in there. I have no idea what the heck this is. That is so disgusting. Oh, okay, I figured out what it is. You know those meat slices, the bare face? Ugh. That's so disgusting. The bare face slices. I don't know if you can tell, but that's one of them. I'm just gonna wash this and then put all the cheese back into here. But first I'm just gonna stick it all in where it's gonna go. Moving on, we have fruit and vegetables, which go in this drawer. Most of them go in this drawer, but I like to put my cucumbers and any fruit that we need to eat soon on this shelf here, because as soon as I open the fridge I can see what's there and what we need to eat as soon as possible. So in the drawer I always have these baskets. I'm going to put those in and then sort them out. In the first basket, it depends on what fruit and veg I've got at the time, but today we have some carrots, we have 3 peppers, and then in this one we have a bunch of tomatoes, which I need to use soon because they look like they're going off. I just haven't been cooking very much recently. So that stays in here too. And I also have 2 mangoes, which I need to use soon, so they're going to go here too. And I also have 1 more cucumber. My kids love cucumber, I love cucumber, we always eat cucumber. And then I also have some mint and some coriander, which I'm going to just plop into the front of this drawer here. And that is everything that's in my fridge, guys. Not very exciting, I know. Oh, also there's some chili sauce up there. I can't read it, so I'm not getting it down. I need to sort this tray out right here, so I'm going to just take it out. This is usually, oh, so gross. This is a very old lemon. This little tray here usually has just garlic, ginger if I have it, and tomato puree. And that's just like my little essentials section in my fridge for cooking, basically. So I'm just going to take all the good stuff out of here and then chuck the rest out. This is what I'm going to throw out. I'm going to give that a little wipe with my cloth. And put everything back in. And that is all done. Now, my water dispenser, never used it because every time I did use it when I first got this fridge, it just tasted so gross, so it never gets used. And that's everything that's in my fridge.
Example, Prophet Muhammad, we put our hands up, shine bright like candles, find the best example, Prophet Muhammad, yeah. Oh, oh, Habibi, yeah. Be content with what you're giving. Oh, 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 Habibi, yeah. We are travelers into the distance. نعطي السلام في كل كلامي ما كاش مكان ما زرت بضحكتي خلي الزمان وراك وامشي معك لمان وكن متهني كن كيما النسمة اللي تمشي بلا وقفة لا خليك معاها وسلم من جاها
Lisa has been begging me for hot chocolate for ages, so I am going to be making her a little hot chocolate in here. You want hot chocolate as well, Issa? Issa's never had a hot chocolate, but I'm going to give him one because he always asks when Elisa has one.
I really want cream.
You do?
Yeah. I bought the cream. I just said, oh.
I'm literally filling it up to about here, both of them, and then putting them into the microwave for 1 minute. Probably won't leave them in for the whole time, but just until they're really hot. And then I'm going to use the Cadbury's hot chocolate, which is the best one ever. So good. Do you want to have a donut with it?
Yes, a donut.
I want to have a donut as well.
Two.
No, you can have a donut with your hot chocolate, okay?
I mean, it smells like ice cream. First mine.
So I just added a little bit of milk, cold milk, into these so that it's nice and drinkable for them. I'm just going to test it with my spoon. It's like cold chocolate. And then we're going to put some cream on and some sprinkles. Here we go. Here you go, babies.
Oh, my God.
So now I'm actually going to be filming a cook with me video, and it's going to be a peas and potato cook with me, which I said that I was going to make in my spices video if you watch that, and I just thought I'd do that today because I've got loads of potatoes that are almost going off, so I thought why not film that today. So I just filmed the video for this, and this is the kids' plates, just waiting for it to cool down a little bit before they eat, and yeah, I'm just gonna go and eat now.
Makes the day go. See the world, spread the love, be like breeze in the summer. Live it up, everyone. You will live in abundance. كن من نسمع اللي تمشي بلا وقفة. خليك معاها وسلم من جاها. Yeah, yeah, yeah. سلام عليكم. Yeah, yeah, yeah. ربي هنيكم. Morocco, Malaysia, Pakistan, Indonesia, Palestine, Syria, Ghana, Nigeria, all the countries around the world. Salam to all of yous. كن من نسمع اللي تمشي بلا وقفة. خليك معاها وسلم من جاها.
Elisa wants to show you her guitar jump. Go on then. That's amazing. Love it.
That's what I do. A potato, a potato, a potato, a potato, a potato, a potato, a potato.
Guitar, not batar. Say guitar.
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 Yeah, good job. Well done. So it's a little bit later now. We have just eaten our dinner. Elisa and Isa are about to have a bath. I'm just running the bath for them now. And I'm going to sort their clothes out. And then while they're in the bath, I'm going to sort out some other clothes. Yeah, baby. But yeah, it's just been another boring day of cleaning and cooking and just boring, boring, boring. How are you finding not being at school? Do you like not being at school, or do you want to go back to school?
I like not being at school.
You like not being at school? You like being at home? Why?
Because of you.
Why?
Because I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
So much.
Let me cut off.
I love you more than this.
You love me more than your teacher. Oh. She loves me more than her teacher, she says.
I love you more than my
But don't you miss your friends and learning things?
Yeah, I miss her friends.
You miss your friends? Yeah, she misses her friends. Are you excited to see them on Monday?
Yeah.
Anyway, yes, this is going on. They're gonna have a bath. They're gonna have a bath and they're gonna go to bed. Go on then, jump.
What? Put the blood on me.
Favorite thing to do is jump on the bed, isn't it?
Yeah, I love jumping on the bed. Even with my daddy.
So Elisa has refused to get in the bath because she has ouchies on her feet and it hurts her when she gets in the water. So I just made her wash a little bit and she's out of the bath now. You okay?
Yeah.
Anyway, so I am about to put all of these towels and things away and then gonna get Isa's hair washed and all that kind of thing. I'm literally right here so I can see him while I'm doing this. So that's what I'm gonna do now.
Morocco, Malaysia, Pakistan, Indonesia, Palestine, Syria, Ghana, Nigeria, all the countries around the world. Salam to all of yous. كن من نسمع اللي تمشي بلا وقفة. خليك معاها وسلم من جاها. Yeah, yeah, yeah. سلام عليكم. Yeah, yeah, yeah. ربي هنيكم. Yeah,
bit later. Somebody is still awake. Why are you still awake? I didn't get around to finish cleaning this room earlier, and I can't be bothered to finish it properly.
She's sleeping.
Yeah, she's sleeping.
She's sleeping.
You should be sleeping too, but you just don't want to, do you? Oh my god, he's crazy. I don't know where he gets all this energy from, honestly. I wish I had it. But this room isn't completely tidy. I haven't done the floor at all, and the Hoover's still on its side from the kids knocking it over earlier. There's some nappies there, there's a hairband, slippers, blah blah blah. But I really can't be bothered to do it anymore. I have so many spots recently and it's just not fun. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog now because I'm just gonna do some editing, relax a little bit, take off my makeup and then go to bed. I feel like my vlogs have gone really boring, like, because obviously like that. Can you stop? That is so gross. I feel like my vlogs are really boring these days, obviously because of lockdown and stuff. I can't really do anything else apart from clean, cook, kids, same old, but yeah, I feel like they're really boring. I do apologise for the repeated content. Can you stop? Can you just stop it now? But that is going to be the end of this video. Let me know if your kids are as gross as this one and don't go to bed until 10 o'clock. It's like 10 o'clock now. Yeah, it is. But thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Kiss.